Hello and welcome to this quick update on the ongoing construction of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, specifically along the Eleko axis in Lagos. This major infrastructure project is crucial in linking Lagos to Calabar, with several key economic zones in between, including Ibeju-Lekki's fast-growing industrial hub. As you can see, construction is in full swing here at Eleko. The road expansion is aimed at easing traffic flow and connecting major landmarks like the Lekki Free Trade Zone, Dangote Refinery and Lekki Deepsea Port, boosting commercial activity in the region. This coastal highway is also part of the Nigeria's broader effort to enhance trade and mobility between the key cities along the coastal line, making travel faster and more efficient for both commuters and businesses. Stay tuned for more updates as this transformational project continues. Thanks for watching and God bless you.